Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something juicy, literally, to talk about. We're diving into the fantastic health benefits of eating grapefruit every day. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our health and nutrition tips. Let's get started. 1. What's in a grapefruit? First off, what's inside this beautiful fruit? Grapefruit is packed with vitamins and minerals, but it's especially renowned for its vitamin C content. Just one serving provides a substantial portion of your daily recommended intake. It's also loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and a variety of phytonutrients that can do wonders for your health. 2. Weight management. If you're looking to shed some pounds, grapefruit can be a game changer. Studies have suggested that eating grapefruit before meals can help control your appetite and reduce calorie intake, making it easier to manage your weight. Plus, the fiber in grapefruit keeps you feeling full and satisfied. 3. Heart health. Another incredible benefit of grapefruit is its positive impact on heart health. The antioxidants in grapefruit can help lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. Regular consumption may also lower the risk of heart disease, which is a leading cause of mortality worldwide. 4. Immune boost. With its high vitamin C content, grapefruit is a fantastic booster for your immune system. A strong immune system can help protect you from various illnesses and infections. So, especially during flu season, consider adding grapefruit to your daily diet. 5. Skin and beauty. Grapefruit isn't just good for the inside, it's great for your skin too. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which keeps your skin looking young and vibrant. Drinking grapefruit juice can help improve your skin's texture and reduce the signs of aging. 6. Diabetes management. Surprisingly, grapefruit can be a valuable addition to a diabetic diet. It has a low glycemic index, which means it won't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. However, if you're on medication, be sure to consult your healthcare provider before adding grapefruit to your diet, as it can interact with certain medications. 7. How to enjoy grapefruit. Now that you know the incredible health benefits of grapefruit, let's talk about how to incorporate it into your diet. You can enjoy it as a fresh snack in smoothies, salads, or even as a topping for yogurt. Get creative and have fun experimenting with different grapefruit recipes. And there you have it, folks. The amazing health benefits of eating grapefruit every day. From weight management to heart health and that radiant skin glow, grapefruit is truly a superfruit. Remember, moderation is key, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, leave a comment below letting us know your favorite way to enjoy grapefruit. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay happy.